Hello, how are you?
Hello, we're back.
Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy and Dallas.
Justin Beaver. We're making cake pop this time.
So we baked a chocolate cake, and what Dallas did was, after the cake cooled off, mixed in frosting with the cake. Crumbled it up and mixed in frosting. So we have this consistency. Turn the camera down and show you how to make cake pops. Cool. All right, Dallas, get you some of it. Make a ball. Pause. About yay much, and you roll it in your hands. Yep, about the size, that's about the size of cake pop. But roll it tight. You gotta press on it so that it doesn't crumble. And let me get a platter to sit these on. We might need a little more frosting, but I'm not sure. Hold on. So we'll roll out all the cake balls, and then we'll dip them. See how it's cracking? See that? Mm-hmm. So we're going to need a little more frosting in here. So put that back in there. So this is from Box Cake and store-bought frosting, but you can do it homemade. Homemade cake, homemade frosting, but no, we're not doing that. Dallas decided on the spur of the moment that he wanted cake pops, and this is what we're doing. So put some more of that in there and then mix it up. So you want your cake pops, when they form, you don't want these cracks in there because they're going to fall apart. Can you see those cracks? So it's not moist enough. So you'll need to add more frosting. Just scoop it off with your fingers because you gotta mix all that up.
Oh, I gotta do it?
Yeah. You want me to do it? So you just mix your frosting into your cake mix. And this is a baked cake. It was crumbled up, and the frosting is what... And the moisture from the heat of the cake is what makes it look like this. Mix it real good so that you can form a cake ball that doesn't have cracks in it. It's like kneading dough. Alright, we can try this and see. Should be a little better anyway. Press down on it so that you push all the air out. That's better. That's a little better. Oh, you got crumbs all in there. That's okay. They all don't have to be the same size. Close. When you're rolling it, you press your hands together so that you push out all the air to compress.
Like this.
No, as you roll. Now, you see, you don't see any cracks in it. Are you pushing? Push down on your hands and roll. You got too much. That's too big of a cake ball. It'll end up falling apart. Be too heavy. And the heat of your hand helps form them also. What are we watching?
Fast and Furious X.
6?
X.
X. How many Fast and Furiouses do they have?
10.
No way.
This is the 2.
Are you serious? That's crazy. Like, that's beyond enough, right? Of Fast and Furious. So we'll continue to roll. I'll probably put this on fast and furious. I'll probably put this on fast speed so that you don't have to sit here and be bored with us rolling these balls. Cake balls. Cake pops. They're not balls. They're cake pops. Pops. These pops. Or actually, I can just pause the camera for right now until we get through. We'll be back. We've got all the cake pops rolled. And now what you'll do is use cake pop sticks. I have a couple left from the package open. And what you do, we have melted chocolate. I have white chocolate here. Dallas melted the chocolate. You do it for 30-second intervals until it's all melted. You'll dip your stick into the chocolate. Take a cake ball, they're not pops yet, and stick it close to halfway into the cake pop. And then I usually take my finger and go around and smooth that chocolate out. And I made this concoction some years ago to hold the cake pops in. Like, you can go every other one until we run out of room. And this is so, you use the chocolate so that the cake pop stays onto, hopefully, the stick. So we have, how many did you count?
23.
23 cake pops, cake balls to make cake pops with. So I was just showing you this process, and we'll do the rest off camera, and we'll be back. We're done with this part. We've got all the cake pops on the sticks, and it has to go in the refrigerator for 10, 15 or so minutes so that they set up. Alright, we're back. We've taken them out of the refrigerator. Now you can do this one of two ways. Let me show you first, Alice. Take your cake pop, and we've warmed this up a little bit. Dip it in and turn it till you have it covered. Now you'll want to tap your hand to tap off the excess. And make sure you're holding up at the top of the stick. And you just tap and turn and get that excess off. And as you turn it, it smooths out. And try and get as much as you can off. Now, you can stand it right back up in here like this, or you can turn it over on some wax paper. And this one, Dallas doesn't want sprinkles. You can put sprinkles, you can put what you want on them. This one I'm going to put a few sprinkles on because I'm making a couple of these for Demia. So you can decorate these. Got one done? Okay. We'll be right back. I'm sorry, I had to take a phone call. I see Dallas has been busy. Okay, let me decorate these for her. 3 is enough. Well, maybe she give one to her mom and her dad. We'll do her 4 or 5. How about that? Oh, you like this way better than sitting them in there? Or you just was doing a couple like this? Okay.
But just hitting my hand is kind of getting me tired.
Yep. Just lazy. How's that getting you tired? Can I dip? I dip, you dip, we dip. Alright, we can both tap at the same time. Are you done tapping? And sometimes you'll find that if you hadn't stuck these in well with the chocolate and the stick, it might fall into your chocolate. And that's why you put them in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. So what we'll do is finish these off camera and come back and show you when we're done. Alright, y'all, we are done. Anything to say?
Finally.
Finally. And so I did a few that I stood up like this. And to let you know, we had a few drops. And we saved them anyway because Dallas said he gonna eat them. I did these for my granddaughter and her mom and dad. And then I did a couple for Dallas has 2 little brothers, so that he could take those home to the kids. Kisses, kisses, hugs, and a heart. And then the rest are just plain for Dallas. So thank you so much. Appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, hi. Yeah, there we are. Hope you enjoyed. Make some cake pops for your kids, for your grandkids, for yourself. I'm going to eat one. Just one after they go in the refrigerator. So now that we're done, I put them in the refrigerator and keep them there as long as you want to, but at least a half hour. At least a half hour to 45 minutes. And pick one up and eat it. You want this bowl? This one was in the refrigerator. This is one that dropped. And here's another one that dropped. I don't know. Nope, it's not done yet. So that's the one I'll probably eat, and I'll be done. The rest of these for Dallas to take home, and for me to give to my other granddaughter. Thank you so much. I'm babbling. Peace and love. We'll see ya. He might be back with something. I don't know. We got banana bread to make. You know, he got me busy. What the hell? Peace? What is that? Deuces?
Peace.
Peace? Oh, okay. Deuces. We out. Toodles.
So whatever he said, let's see what this is. I like how light and delicate it is. It looks like a cute snake. Yeah.
I usually place these in clear bags, but since I didn't or haven't done this in quite a while, these are the only ones that I had.
Oh wow. This dish is cactus, water chestnut, coconut, and prickly pear juice on the outside, and mine, the coconut replacement dish. This person is inspired by the idea of poetry. Part of what we do is also go find ingredients from all around the country. I like the little star, the kid stuff.
He can get back the rest of them too. Oh, you recording? Oops.
I could drink.
Hi.
This is my favorite. I love it. This one's nice because they put so much time and effort into all the little details on it. It's one of those dishes that's like an art piece where you don't really want to do it. This looks like a computer. Before you eat any more, let's keep going. Okay, so we are going for round 4. This looks. Let's eat. This is the menu, but since we're about to eat all the food, you guys can read this on your own time. One cool thing about eating in Japan is usually the restaurant and counter is so small that the head chef is cooking.
Get your bite from the other side.
Whereas back home in the United States, there's a lot of times where the head chef isn't there more than once.
This is the only one I'm going to eat. It's rather sweet.
First up is this little salmon roast snack.
That's enough for me.